Welcome to a short overview of history of accounting. Around 360 BC, record keeping was already common from Mesopotamia, China, India to the Central and South America. The oldest evidence of this practice was the clay tablet of Mesopotamia, which dealt with commercial transactions at a time such as listing of account receivable and accounts payable.
The most important event in accounting history is generally considered to be the dissemination of double entry bookkeeping by Luca Pacioli. Luca Pacioli was the father of accounting and he is the author of a book on mathematics, which was printed and published in Venice in 1494 and included a 27 pages section on bookkeeping. The Italian of the 14th to 16th century are widely acknowledged as the father of the modern accounting and were the first to commonly use Arabic numerals rather than a Roman. For tracking business accounts, Luca Pacioli wrote Summa di Arithmetica, the first book published that contains a detailed chapter on double entry bookkeeping and ledger classics concepts that are in use until this very day. Pacioli did not necessarily invent modern accounting, but summarized, formalized, and helped spread the accounting practices and use in Italy around the Mediterranean.
Forward to the Republic of Netherlands around the year 1600, enjoying recent self-proclaimed independence from Spain. The Dutch were very actively trading goods all over the world. The Dutch East Indian Company became the first company in history to issue bonds and share of stock to the general public. In other words, it was officially the first publicly traded company because it was the first company to be ever actually listed on an official stock exchange. This new ownership structure drove further development in accounting method. French Revolution on 1700. The thorough study of accounting and development of accounting theory began during this period. Social upheavals affecting government, finances, laws, customs, and business had greatly influenced the development of accounting.
The Industrial Revolution started in the late 1760 to 1830 in Britain. The steam engine is an important symbol for the technical development around the time, as machine took central role of manufacturing and labor was largely seen as expendable. Machines became the assets of the balance set and people are mere expense in the income statement.
The modern accounting system in Europe and America was first developed in the 19th century. This period marked the beginning of large-scale industrialization and the emergence of the modern economic system. In Europe, the system of double-entry bookkeeping was formalized in the 15th century, but it was not until the 19th century that modern accountant systems were established. In the United States, the first accounting standard was established in the early 19th century. This standard focused on providing a unified system of bookkeeping and financial reporting that would be suitable for use by businesses of all sizes. By the end of the 19th century, most of the accounting principles and practices that are still in use today had been developed.
In the 20th century, the advent of the computer shaking off the revolutionizing society to this very day. Large part of transaction processing can now be fully automated, and new ways of building organizations emerge. Accounting framework like US GAAP and IFRS continue to evolve, adapting to the changing world around us. And people working in the accounting profession and still here for you to help you count, record, classify, summarize, reconcile, and analyze.
Vicente Fabula was the first Filipino to obtain a certified public accountant. He is the founder of the Horsal University. In 1916, he returned to the Philippines and opened the accounting firm Vicente Fabula and the Company. He also became a professional lecturer in accounting and auditing at the University of the Philippines. I hope you enjoy this short overview of history of accounting. Thank you for watching and have a good day.